At Sharp Auction Engine, we make it easy for you to customize your auction house, and that includes customizing your invoices. Getting the details straight at the end of the auction is important when you want to get paid, and we know the details are different for everyone, so we have a lot of customizable options so that you can get that information to your bidders. Click the Manage My House button from your auctioneer dashboard, and you'll go to the central location to change settings for your auction house. In the Invoices tab, you see you have the option to manage your payments, or click Invoice Settings. That's what we're going to do today to set up our invoices for the first time. The default header title, we're going to just put the words header title in there so you see where those words go when we generate an invoice. To the right of that, you see there's a default days due field. You can put whatever window of time you want in there, 15, 30, and so on. And then a toggle for the profile image. If your logo is important to you and you want it on your invoices, you just hit yes there. Now below we have our customizable text boxes. In the default header text box, we're going to put header text, and we can change that in size or type, make it bold or italic. We can justify it left, right, or center. It's like any other text box there. You can also change the colors because we want you to be able to match it to the brand of your auction house. We're going to enter header text, memo text, payment, shipping, and so on into each of these boxes and hit Save Changes when we're done. And we'll see what positions those end up in the actual invoice. By going back to your dashboard, click the Edit icon and Invoices from the drop-down menu, and we'll see we have one invoice generated. We're going to click the gear icon where you have the option to edit, delete, view, or send the invoice. We'll click view because we want to see the customizations that we put into place. Header title is front and center, and then header text to the left above the details. Payment and shipping text at the bottom, then memo and footer text below. Up at the top you have your logo and the bidder information, as well as your information and pertinent details about the invoice, and some options along the top on what you can do with your invoice from here. At Sharp Auction Engine, we make it easy for you to customize your auction and your invoices.